Hello, my people. I'm coming, guys. Let me check my phone. I wanna go fit take play. Still not know. Hello, everyone. Hello, my people. How are you, guys? Oh yes, everybody. Oh yes, my people. As you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video, guys. Share, my lovely people. Good evening to you all. Good evening, everybody. How not day. Please share this video, my lovely people. Please share, guys. Please share, my people. Insta body. Oh yes, my beautiful people. How not day. I hope not day fine, my people. Yes. Today now. Okay, today is Wednesday, guys, right? Okay, today is Wednesday. So, guys, you are coming in. Share this video. Oh, this phone too high, huh? I think so. I am done for one, so that's. Oh yes. Good evening, everybody. It's like I command the comment. Oh, my people, man, are not verse. So I see the comment go one side. Hey, yeah. Tina, mommy, Emily, good evening to you all. Good evening to you all, guys. Good evening to you all. Please share this video. Good evening, my beautiful people. Oh yes. No time to shake time, my lovely people in the house. I greet you. So please, as you are coming in, good evening, my lovely women, my beautiful people in the house. Please try to share this video. Share, my people. How not day? Yes, so no time to shake time, my lovely people. Still need to just still come outside and just my people. So I'm not verse almost 8 now. We say enter. I say 8. Yeah, no quick round up. So good evening, everybody, wherever you are watching me from this Vera television program. So please, as you are coming in, please don't fail to share this video. Share. So my beautiful people, I greet you now so much. We'll first dance. I know as they go now. So this is waist trainer time, guys. I'm not let her surprise now or shock. No, because I know say summer don't come. We need to do like this. No, I'm not see the be now. So please share this video. Share. Come here, turn this side. Close to me, guys. Okay. Okay, my people, I greet you now so much. As you are coming in, please don't fail to share this video. Share, my people. Yeah. So good evening, everybody. At time now, so we go dance and before we start our Ogbonge topic, my lovely people. So this is time for waist trainer, my beautiful people. You need to look good at a time. They say this summer now is the thing when they say you got to wear the waist trainer. They come. It's like the comment is now. Okay. I say hook, I don't know. So now summer with them now you need to wear the waist trainer so that it will make you this one our last year's summer, guys. So you can see it, my lovely people, my great people, my good people. So we'll go dance, but at a time. Good afternoon, everybody, once again. Good evening, because it's almost after 8 now, my lovely people. So guys, before we go there, my lovely people, so we dance. Share the video, share, my people. Now they call my people, so we'll go dance and before we start. I know as they be now, we need to talk on the way it be, and before we start our Ogbonge topic, guys. Shall I say I'm not too fat like that, you understand? No, when you go close to camera or you stay close to camera, you are safe. I'm just on this. Okay. So when you stay close to camera, it will be like say maybe you get body or you fat, like really. But at a time when you be say Since I not to get body like that, you understand? So you can see that. You see that? So now summer with this, so you need to look good and look beautiful, my beautiful people. Yes, yes. So I know they sell waist trainer. So my Monica, they say if you need, please share this video, guys. My Monica, they say if you need waist trainer, she gets. You understand? Because this is summertime. You need to look good. No, not all those kind of baby elephant. When it be say baby elephant, smelly obo. Hey, hey, smelly obo, smelly uzi. Obi, that smelly obo, smelly uzi. Smelly obo, you know now, you know as they go now. So you need to still show where trying to wear waist trainer. Just try to wear waist trainer. Just come out like this, stand full, oh, you understand, so that people will see you. Don't see me now, but not say yes. Can see that, can see that. So smelly bekus, you need to wear them as they wear them. So you understand. They say now this time to show. So people no really know whether you be a star shalash. So you understand, you need to show it, let people see. Make sure you show and where let people see how you take day. You understand? Yes, so my money can get if you need waist trainer, you want buy, you understand? For someone now you can use it to jog. This one now get theory. When I say for last year, yeah, for last year, guys. Yeah, for last year. So I keep on, you understand? So now see and now see B. So now number 2 they put on this one. Till now I get. You understand? Still be like waiting. Everyone say and say sit tight like this. You know, not say this time now we don't see it. You know, so it still make my belly look flat and you understand, my beautiful people. Not be by to they make mat like this summer now is good for many women. Just buy. You can buy. You wear them if you want to do something like since morning now. Don't still wear them, you understand? So small you go they burn and they go small my lovely people. So now so it's very important, you know. So man, I not believe all those one where they lie up and down. So my money can get waist trainer. If you want to buy from her, she gets different types safe. Now the one where they bought in for here, anyone she have all. So guys, please share this video. Good evening everybody. Good evening to you all, guys. So I come go dance before we come go to our Ogmonge matter this evening. I know now. No, say still good, no, still look young. I know as they be here. If you still look good, look sweet. It's very good, you know. They come whether I go see, I may check okay. So we go dance before we now start our normal topic. You understand? So I come here and bring the music come outside. So my lovely people, so when I'm not verse, you're supposed to come out on my YouTube channel. If you not spend maybe IS 1 hour, you know, just quickly rush enter. So now I wonder why they always play this music because I don't want people say copyright to this one that I'm not using. So I always play this music on my YouTube channel because while I'm not playing it. So that is the reason why you can see I always play it. Not a bother anybody. Not a bother anybody. Yes, so when I see my woman, I come and see her. As it goes, come and see her. It be like me, I'm not too good. You don't see her. See you beautiful, see you shine. You know, they start to see you shine because at the time, when they feel, woman get very so good. You don't buy and want to see her. As it goes, all you and you see her. Oh my people. So now some my lovely people, come on, I get phone so you need to. Come on, I will go so you need to look beautiful and look sweet, guys. My people. So man, not bother. I don't speak how they play this music because I'm not watching. Yes, so yes, my people. So now some my people, this summer time you need to buy and understand. Just order your own, check your size. You understand? So people will say they don't know their size. Any size of your trouser. So if you use an order, you know you can go to find this thing, they go to find rope, and go to find that this thing. That measurement now, you don't need to find it. So your waist of your trouser, you can use it to buy it. Anything make sense, and almost the same weight. So any waist of your trouser, you go to buy it so that you go enter you. But if you go buy the one too big, before you go and fit like you go. I still see this one is very tight. You understand? So it's tight like say tomorrow you go. So I said buy it, not less than big because of my waist. You understand? So you will see or not, so it's tight me. Since last year, you understand? Because when I buy one, you make bone, so now this is now second line again, maybe the next time now, we put it for the third line. So the third line now, you go cut tight more and more. You understand? So now first, I said put it. So my people will still play the music again, but at the time they come make I pause for me. No, I'm sorry, another one, no fit. Okay. Yeah, I don't pause. So my people, as this waist trainer now show now say as it be this summer now, you need to wear and buy. Understand? Don't look for say you don't know the measurement. You want to go to find this way take the measure with your trouser. Your waist of your trouser, if you use and buy, if you say you don't see one use your waist of your trouser, maybe they use like maybe 38, size 40, if you buy like 39, you understand? If you drop and come down so that if you buy and you don't go too big, but at the time to get your normal size is for you to use your waist, the waist of your trouser. If you check and you go see say the number they there, you understand? So you go say the number they always did there, guys. So you'll use and take buy, you understand? Like this summer now, if you wear an inside, I may just decide to wear them for up like this, you understand? So if now inside you still wear and wear clothes, you go carry on, you go hold your belly, even though you get big belly, that time you say you go press and go inside. So then you will say your shape will come outside, you understand? Your shape will come outside, you will come look good. Any cloth when you put aside, then if I wear clothes now for this one, you see, if I wear cloth for this one, you go see and say, you not go big. You understand? Not go big because at the time you don't eat since now you say you go come small. If na top you want wear or be say you go the fear say oh top or may your belly not go big, may they not be laughing. What you just have to do is to wear it inside. So now because of my these are your purposes you just wear like this. So if you wear it inside, you can't wear tight cloth or maybe your this thing, you will say not go your belly not go big. Nobody go even know self. Understand? If you use and sit down, if you use and bed down, you do like this, you do like this, you understand my people. So you not go hard you not go they stress you, you understand? Because now wait till they stretch, you understand? I show you the stand. So my money can get too in case if you want to buy, you want still look good, you know, still too expensive like expensive. So just that the one way you see they say if I say maybe get this type, but at a time you still get that one where they zip like this. As after you don't pin like this, you go kind of come. Many people still like that type too, when you call cross. While some people not still like black, but different colors still there for that one as well. You understand? So my beautiful people, I greet you now so much. I appreciate you a lot. So we'll play one music before we go start our Ogboge topic, my lovely people. They come. I can't go back. Hey, my people. Hey, my people. So we are not about anybody. So now what is this able to treat like this? What is this able to strong? You know the some black is strong, but at the time, the one with the stress, you always be saying that. Oh yeah, so my people. See how you go. See let me show. That person on the corner. The one I know. See how you go. Let me show. That person on the corner. They go. Let's go the night down. not even dance alone, self na exercise, you understand? You understand? So your body go feel, your body, your hand, everywhere go feel go strong. Not that they use power, they dance, so now the fact that they dance on so your body go feel go release. And especially when you come here waist trainer, you understand? So, so when they see how your body go dey feel. Let me feel it. See, I wanna see it. Cannot deny it. Cause I'm truly inside. When I scream, see, I'm on show my song. Show my song. Africa, say Africa is the place. Some understand, say Africa is the place. Check out your over TV. Check out your so you can see, only this hand alone, your body when you still moving. Oh my God. Not only they use power or the sense that they work out, you know. All your body they take me there. Guys, you are just coming in, please don't fail to share, don't fail to share, don't fail to share, my people. You understand? So not the one when you just see some people for social media, they dance with all hey, hey, hey. You come here, person. Hey, with power, with strength. No, you understand? Just the dance and kule go sense all your body, it go really, it go as in. You better say you do exercise. I should understand. Even me myself, now I offer the sweat. You see, so now so your body go not do one hey better way. You not be like say the person want your fat. No, now the sense so you both the dance or the you say the dance now hey you have a play for them. No, the way you take dance and the way you take carry your body like this, in fact, everywhere go make boy. You understand? Sure, it says I tell wear this waist trainer now. Everything make buy your body go make kokoroko. You understand? Not the one where be say mama go your way, better way. No, they're not the dance all those kind of dance again. Please share this video out, guys, before we go them over talk a little bit. You understand? Not the one where a smelly obo, smelly uti the dance. No, she go there, they go the pretty. This summer now she's supposed to the only if that this one you buy yourself, you go the job, you go the all your body, you go just sit down, they go make food. All now after they follow all social media, smelly obo, smelly udi. They follow all social media, they go, they listen to all this thing. You don't get time for herself. Bekus, you don't get time to bath, make it bath well. You know, not say person matter to whole person, especially some presenter for this social media. Person matter go hold them, you are welcome, my darling. Person matter go hold them, so they don't go even remember take bath. Before I say, they don't go remember. Person like a baby elephant, and no boy with that woman, everywhere. If you just do, you go just see carry makeup, you go see mama, all the mama yao. You come wear slow, go pack for body. Before the man can say they smell, you don't know say that truth. And now this person now they follow all social media, they go, they find people videos when you want carry people videos when you want carry up and down. Time when she go take bath, two pikin, make I look where the social media is there loho. If I loho, you little go big back. For her to bath, make it take time for herself, make it look good. Baby elephant, you may voida or may vakekan. Una ye vu like a trailer. Be like trailer. Is it my people? Now make I go use this summer. I go use a pepper. So you of course try to sleep down like me. Yeah, is a pepper way. Because she did the video, she said, my people, it all say me a fat passer. It all say me a be who get her. If you wear this waist trainer when I wear, I go use a pepper. Okay, no one give away. I know how to drill people like you. Now my work now. Me guys a drill where partition is a when. In fact, when man let his social media, please share this video, guys. She said me I fat. Me and you, we are going to do competition. Do one. Come outside. No, this is not a time for you want run entire side. Oh, oh, we are your boy lads. You must get time and that chance. Take come outside. Then we will not come and do competition. Beggar, ubegger, you see him. Ubegger. What I mean, we are going to make creamy young boy here. Can you see that? You see that? You see him? You see him? Show front and back. If you the show front, the show back, oh, and this very waist trainer I wear, you say me fat pass you, right? Okay. Now, this waist trainer when me I wear so. You say me I fat pass you, and this waist trainer if you wear I no go enter you. That one not for sure, nah. Even the biggest one when you follow this one, Ella Wegbe. Waist trainer when you go wear, you go be like me till you go make vwe for ground. Baby elephant go make so make it. You go wear waist trainer, you go make so make it faint. If you wear waist trainer, not the feed the beer. Excited beer. Oh, mommy, hope you are welcome. You go to run up and down. You go to see the day when they say, hey, get better. She not even feel wear. If you wear waist trainer, you want buy. You don't go fit now. She no go fit. Exciting. She no go fit because her fatness too much. She will come live video. She will come carry some mustache. This say we not get the strategy. You will come like this. We want to eat. You will come bring the food. Come outside. If you don't bring the food, come out. You will come shop small. If you don't shop small, finish. Baby elephant. If you don't come up for front of camera, baby elephant go dish all the food. Also, after you don't shop and finish, you call the bring. I don't eat much or can't boo. Baby elephant smelly obo, smelly uzi. You say I don't eat too much. Whereas you wait the test say you not eat too much. Now lie yourself, you know even they eat. Ah God. You know even they eat for where baby share this video, guys. You know even they eat for where baby elephant or a royal. Her mat now don't bend finish. Her mat don't bend finish. Pata. Her mat, it don't reach. That's how her mat can't be. He go run all the food. You are born out. But me social media now. Me and you will do competition. We'll do challenge. They say Baba Olawo and her native daughter they do challenge. Maybe we walk here with challenge now. Yes, now. Me and you must do challenge. You say me I fat pass you. I don't argue now. You know, we don't need to come they argue for social media. Hey, nah, lie, not fat. No. In fact, what people self now need for social media be say you need to prove who you are. They don't even need talk here. No. As I just come outside like this now when I show you too. Please share this video, guys. You see it now. Sure you can see it. So if me come out now, come outside and not be like you see shape. Because I look why I will your burger. You see him. Not be this thing no. Ubere not be my upon wear waist trainer. You see him. Ubere or gear. You see him. You see it. Shape the see him. You see the shape. This one a gift from God. You see him. You see him. You see that? You see that? So, I just want to tell you, because me you understand? So I just want to tell you, say, me we You understand? Not to come out. Hey, big pass me. Because you talk about the video they send and give me. They say you talk, say, my people, me and Vera, who big pass. My people, wanna come, oh, me and Vera, who big pass. Me and Vera not big pass me. I beg. People get come outside, can't do competition. Can't do. Just come outside. Well, I don't do competition. Oh, beg any Google. She is saying now. I defeat the brother. She is saying. So you wear these sides when me I wear so. Now this one they follow smallest one. This one I wear so now they follow the small one. Yes. Now this one they follow the small one. Yes. Now I wear so. If you don't know me, you know. Now this one, please share this video, guys. This one I they follow the small because I bought the 3. You understand? Now this one they follow the smallest one. Show you see. You see so. Oh no, now now they follow. Not be safe for man. This one they follow. So if you wear this size when I wear so, you see that? You see it? You see You see that? So if you wear this size, then you can't show us your front and back. Like really, you'll really be like this. If you go enter you down, if I bola will be. A smelly or bo smelly if this waist trainer enter you. Hey Jesus. If this waist trainer enter you like this, oh God Almighty, oh God Almighty, oh God Almighty, oh this waist trainer enter you like this. Listen, when we make lots of wear, you say me, umwam, omanicha mwan asam pete o your ma, adawam, umwam, me. Money charm as I'm pete. You send me make bolos of walking out boo or walking out west smelly or smelly woods. Oh, women, beautiful. Maybe when I'm with the star. Oh, when I choose just to look who is saucy. Oh, that don't see me, I have to choose where. Oh, that man don't go see sleep. Am I where crow? Crow, ubege. Crow, Crow, we have bleaching cream, we have the boa. Organic cream, you see it? They see my organic cream. Listen, another one, I be this one again, so. They say, Perfect Global Beauty Care. Now, another one, I be this. Oh, how you wear door, baby elephants. The one I buy that, they don't finish. Now, no one I take buy that one. Now, another one, I be this. Yes. Another one. Over here, another new one. How go well. Another one. Now, super chat. You know, for super chat. You know, come on for this, so you don't get money for super chats. When your tete say you don't get money, you go for yourself. I'm a married woman. Is it not married woman that super chat better people? Is it not a married woman like you? I'm married. I'm married, you know, hear what? This is the second one that I'm using. It just arrived. You never say that is not just said like 4-5 days now. Now it come. This one. You understand? You see? That one don't finish. See? The hair is heavy. The hair. Share the hair. The hair now full one. If I open and make you see. See? See I say it inside. No need to if they touch something, they break the push. See I say it there. See it full. See that? It full. Well. You understand? This one another Shabe organic cream, and it's very good. You understand? It's good. No, not too cost. You still afford them. No, Perfect Global Beauty Care. Perfect Global Beauty Care is very good. So now they use, I know they miss, and they last. Baby elephant, smelly or smelly. Can you afford this? You can't now. We are big boy. Oh my big boy. No, if you need it, I can give you the number. Then you call her. You understand? That will not be my distance. So if you need it, it's very good. All of them get and bowl for your nuko, bogwe. You have all of them. You understand? Body scrub, all of them get an asset. An asset I still buy. It's the same set I bought. I dey buy a set. You understand? Not they buy some this one because you get white soap, you get black soap. So both the one that they put for lips. I dey buy all of the sets. You understand? It's not too expensive, but at the time, if you need, why I not fit talk am here? Because why she get different types. You understand? She have different type of organic cream. Because me, I have oil, dry skin. So the one that they use on an oil skin, the one for oil skin. You understand? So if you get oil skin, no, if you buy dry skin. If you get oil skin, they'll give you dry skin. If you get dry skin, they'll give you oil own. So if you can't get oil own, now you know if you use oil own, now this thing you will use, you know. But if you get oil skin, you can't use oil, your body go too much, not go be like say no they work. So this is the second one. You can see all that warrior. Please share this video, guys. You all new come. You understand about life? Baby smelly elephant. So if you need it, perfect global beauty care. You understand? So if you need it, just contact me. I'll send the number for you. It's on WhatsApp. Anywhere. Which day this one take on? I order in not reach 4 days. It come. Yeah, not reach 4 days. It come. Yeah. Not reach 4 days. I received the package. Yeah. So it's very good. Go to show your body, go be equal. Show now they see my back now. Everything are equal. Nothing like maybe one side will come black, will come sharp, you know, no. So if you want to know how much, different type, like dry skin, now women will get dry skin. Maybe price wait till they sell for me or wait till they sell for people can be different for oil. You understand? And depends on how you want to buy it. You can be maybe you don't want to buy the set, the one when you wish. Like one lady now you go buy the black soap and the body white. This one is body white. You see it? This one white body. You see white then body here. So you just only buy some inside. So you can wish to order also. The price may be different. You understand? Not it be the same. Different price if you don't want the full set, because the set now 10 then inside complete. Get white soap and black soap. You have oil. You get body scrub. You get for leaves. You get different many. You understand? You get different one. You understand? So if you need the number, just call me or let me pin the number here. Let me pin it because the number is right here. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Let me pin the number. If I'll feel right now, I don't know. Because who could they? One six three 4 okay 40 408 1 4081 5 3 okay plus 163 240 8153. Okay, and so that is the number. So I will try to pin the number right here now. That is her number. So she's on WhatsApp as well. So I've already pinned it. So now the number be that. So baby elephant, come on super chat. Thank you. Come on super chat. You know fit give. So walking here there or in you understand? It's not about to come on live video brag. At the end, baby elephant don't get from back. She's just managing. Manage now she did. This is the second one the order. As that one almost finished, I got to quickly order this one. Order 3 days. It come. You understand? Sets. Now I still buy. You understand? Me, I know they use the lips on. I don't feel like my mom they use that one. No? I know they use. So, madam, this is the second one. You see, the full. That one, that time. I see one. Please, guys, share this video. Like this, like that one, I don't finish. I don't throw away. Can see. You hear her? You hear her? You hear her? So now Shabe be this. This Shabe one, new one. So we are here gume guwa. Ukaya huene. You will go bath before you go to talk to Veronique. My bijou. Smelly or smellable. I will pepper you with this my shape. I will pepper you. If I pepper you, that your belly when it be like belly so almost to reduce. We are going to do competition. Baby elephant, just have that in mind that you and Vera this summer. This summer we get competition too. We get competition. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like really? Cool. 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 So we are with competition. We are going to do our Ogboge competition. Okay. Okay. Imawa we Mozart. Pepe de, bolale pepe de mo, pepe de, bolale pepe de mo. Vera pepe de, pepe de, vera pepe de mo. He can't pay. Please share this video out, guys. Pepe de, bolale pepe de mo, pepe de, yes, yeah. Baby elephant, you dey feel you dey see my human hair, big banner for the same. You dey see nothing they do because it's so expensive now, boy. Azag or Agbiki. People that is okay, they don't brag. Who's the one go following people platform because of jealousy? The reason why I don't jealous because why? I like good thing. And when me and they progress, I don't want somebody to jealous me as well. For me to jealous somebody, I need to be say, oh my God, I like this thing. Yeah, it's for me, oh. But you see, baby elephant, even common super chat, not be even common. A whole super chat, she still cry put. Of which, not be a platform, oh. Of which, yes, now of course. After picking, baby elephant, me who wear up your money, maybe who would want money, when a butter. Then me why je na me man look sexy. He looks sexy, baby man. He was saying, baby, my man. Oh, like really? He looks sexy because they're coming. You see him? Get cool. Baby elephant, show yourself. We don't need to brag. Come outside. Come out. Me and you. Oh my God. We get competition. Hey, man, wow, maybe where? Ma is there competition or competition? Is there pepper, Vera, take come easy, cool your temper. Me is there pepper way. Oh, Esther, brick cream when you take the rub. To start with, baby elephant, please. Oh, you know ya wo presenter. No, as it is, brick cream when you take the rub and go price them. Take the number, go price them. The woman, she don't put the number there. Baby elephant, come. Presenter no man negwe. Presenter no ohuwa. Smelly bekus presenter. Call me. The number there. Go price and bring your cream when you take the rub. Only what she know best is to brag. Look at her evil mind now. And no give, he don't born now. Everybody even use shame, take wish and congratulations. Because of your evil acts. You cannot even say, yes, so even the villain is deep. Somebody come and say, even use pattern, take wish and congratulations. Also, where you see the be money. Where money, where be anywhere. Esther, where they be how way to where be. Oh, be able to be more because now another man. Now go figure you better. Not be sharing you again. Oh, I can make on way because so that's more cassava now feel pregnant to again. Yes, everybody on platform use shame. So not even is shame or whatever. At a time, they still try to wish a new beautiful baby. When they take on this honey and milk land. But shame and disgrace and your evil heart, you cannot even use shame and say, oh, congratulations. Anyway, you know, say me and you get my time. Never feel about this arrival of children. You don't know what it's day now. If I were you, that is how I would put it. Me, I just get matter, but for this welcome newborn baby. Congratulations. My beggar boy. At the end, I be good person. You wait fee. Woman born, I don't feel wish her congratulations. Who else? Who? You. Go feel say like evil. Now I see so. For her to be crying for another person super chat. Is that not to show that who are Asha is where we don't like really? Please give thumbs up and share this video, guys. One of the full love and like on a thumbs up. Shame! Not even allow you say, okay, like as it is right now, okay. Everybody. Even go reach the kids, even the lolekia even self. When you not see correct, still use pattern. See say congratulations package. You know, see I say boy mwere the botos. When mommy will say now you call worry or who I say you are the most shameless human being on earth I've never seen. Even the lolekia your mother, when he born you from my mama, he did that very day, see come out at night and say congratulations package. But at the end, shame not even let her play that record because maybe don't set my destiny. I tell you have your toy to. But at the end, it's like she know that you need to pack well because that new baby, that will get beautiful twist. Yet is salo where the back, yet is sour who okay. But at a time, this evil human being and a democking. They can never. I fear you, not fear you. And I pity people that I see following you. You are a good person. You are a good person. Hey, asana ya gbiyale obeke ya woni asana ya gbiyale. He's still waiting. Came with a beat first wife. And then still finally to wait for the second one. Yes, you are a monkey, a newborn baby. You can still do anything. For Momo, mommy that beer, mommy tag no fish jouer. No wonder your man call you smelly kpekus and smelly obo. Because as you up there, that your kpekus now don't smell reach your brain to an extent, you lose it totally. You lose it totally. And the monkey and his wife that disgrace you on everywhere. When they tell as a young billionaire take vandalize you, go drop it for your Amore, who not marry better pass you? Fine. Really? I never marry. And I meet a person. You know why? You when Jay you marry, your mind is fully disgracing you around. Fully and disgracing you around. And you said you marry. People when you not even marry said they are more better than you. How many times have you seen my mom disgrace on social media? Even when they are ranting about roughing their mouths. Have you ever seen my mom come outside and talk nonsense? Yes, so they use fake account to follow my mom to ask my mom question. The person said, no, say me sit down with my mom. And when they ask my mom tell them, my mom tell us. Since you know the fear Vera, go ask Vera, have Vera take it. Neither person tell you. Since you know the fear Vera, why you come add me with fake account, send me request, finish. They ask me, Vera, go ask Vera, call her, ask her. You see? That person, they're not born and where make he call me now. Because before he come, I might not find my hands for Europe. You don't see now. Oh, mommy, and I didn't again his sister when he did Switzerland, now they do at that time. My man said, since you not fear, you call Vera, ask her. And you know? No, I want to go better have your weather. If Vera will know about herself and her life history, that person did not good. Shame! My married. The man be disgracing this woman up, and the two of them they disgrace themselves. They are the most worsted couple on social media, drinking and fighting. So then you bite your own picking for her. And the imagine sometimes person go come and say, Vera, I not just photo. Are you okay? Are you kidding me? Like really? Like seriously? You when your picking you're there with you carry one more come, one film you well, boy. So then your child was not asking you, Mama, are you an animal? Jesus Christ, oh, I don't go, Jesus Christ. We reach we was send our portion. Your son, we're not asking you. Are you an animal now? Why are you batting everybody? The video see there here. That one, if your injury they heal, I go they put salt and pepper. You know, if I still play that one now, you'll see run mad later social media. If the injury they finish, baby elephant, they put salt and pepper. If you near to finish, if they salt and pepper. Now, so I do Africa last day. He go for admission. I admit her. They admit her. Our major hospital. And he spent almost more than 1 week. Me oh, if you know Vera, if you for never they repair Vera. The one way they tell me, na cream, organic cream. It may buy a woe. But when me they do you, oh so sad, dear policeman. If they pay you rich inside your boom mama. If they pay rich inside your Stanley Concord, no where we made wetter, you know they pay me. If the injury one they go at 10 or where I can for, yeah, one le grande pepe. I go come ask for the mamere by if they be gilet yo. When you know how they go. Please share this video, guys. Because I pity people when go say you are a good person. I pity those people. You have not forfeited. I pity those set of people that say you are okay, as in you are a good person. Pretender, that woman, both spiritual and physical. I don't use my one eye to view you. I don't look you like this. My scarecrow now I put for I take observe you from A to Z. Because they show red. No one green. And your mama green. And you're not going to show red. Dengia. With my skill. All your body will not show you dengia. All our bar. It make bad west tenorubu. Meme. Before I start to pepper you, me don't go use my mask to view you. Who were for who yoria? Let's say, on yoria, where yoria aye. Where for me? It may view where I hold it like this. I observe you now. Screw you from head to toe. I screw you reach down. And I make sure say you now drill you where so toto. The people will say she's a good person. All those haters. Like really? Platform that is not belongs to you. You go there because of jealousy, because of hatred, because of bad belly. You went there. You want to go and spoil a birthday. She went there. Who they put red so red dog have bijou. Baby elephant, a red dog have. After I choose for this live video, I'm going to block your house, man. Yes. If I don't true, I'll make sure say I block everything about you. Yeah. Super shots. You still reach you cry put. See the glidis now. That was just see the solo choirs they go for one side. Whether not so ogbe people be but at the time not be all ogbe people still be like that because if I use all ogbe now you come outside they insult ogbe people. But this one now this one set who are for where you're here. You are glidis. You are glidis. Una mind no good for this media. And una know how to bully people. Hey, Jesus. Baby elephant will just wake up like this. If you all wake up, you all look front like this, you all look back like this. You go say, who you want come knock for ground. You go, you carry your leg. You come and knock you for ground. That is what she know how to do best. They see her. They see my shape. They see this place. Sure you can see it. They see her now. Sure they see her. Oh, well, please share this video, guys. She go just sit down. You go say, oh, you want now for ground. You go, you come outside. You want move bottom. Make I may look baby elephant. The latest name now is Smelly Obo, Smelly Udi. Momo nini. Smelly Obo, Smelly Udi. Now Obo Yoruba they call TOT. Udi now Yoruba they call bubu, buto like this one, like this bubu now this. Now they call Udi. Mowa money in West Smelly Obo. Anybody, if you be Yoruba me right time. Smelly Obo, Smelly Udi. Now that will be your new name. Mowa money. Because before I give you that name, I use my screen to view you reach down. Smelly Obo, Smelly Udi. That be your name. That one are just for sure. Just for sure and just for real. Very heartless human being. That woman jealous, baby elephants. And Gladys, they are the most evil. Look at Ebony issue right now. Gladys and Gladys wants to change them. He said a person go provoke Ebony and I make Ebony talk. Like really? If the thing not there, Ebony, man, can Ebony just come out and say, what do you build? What do you get when they never get before? It's too quick. It's too quick for her to say such thing. If she not read the verse for Sandra Agbogu. But Gladys still come outside and change it and say it's a First Nation. They're provoking. Did anybody bother to ask what provoke Ebony? Who cares about provoke or not? If she not read the who for us and when Sandra Agbogu, when he post he asked, did Ebony call her and congratulate her? When you are not telling us that we could have asked questions before talking. Did Ebony congratulate Sandra Agbogu? Because the same jealousy in you. The same with baby elephants. The same with baby elephants. She's so jealous, as in her own jealousy don't have part 2. It talk less of part 3. Baby elephant, last year, I want to please share this video, guys. We'll soon round up. I know to say. Please share this, share my people. Last year, when I want to do my 1 year anniversary, right? So I can't toss. I want to do my 1 year anniversary. I got to do video that I book a date on the 14th of November. I'm going to do my 1 year anniversary. So I tell my Monica, tell the people when I want to sit in their 1 year anniversary. So I got to really prepare for that 1 year anniversary. The reason why I do that 1 year anniversary, I just want to do it because the way enemy take plan me on social media, especially on that YouTube, they not say I go spend 1 year. They wanted to drop me, but God dropped them. Gladys said I should drop my YouTube channel. After 1 month plus, our friend YouTube channel go down. When Esther just hear that I want to do 1 year anniversary and I don't print banner, I don't talk and say I want to do one for party with that demon already. I call the talk and say that day will be Oga. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Really, I really prepare for that 1 year anniversary. I don't care how much it cost me. Baby elephant, you have been in this country for how many years? What have you done that? Really? Money when we spend for that 1 year anniversary, you know about trying now. But who have eyes? No. Only banner when you see for that one, you know now. Not be this country you did. Only that banner, people will print the picture before it come do, you know how much it collects. For only that banner when you see when they right put. When you go no here. She just say, I just say on the 14th of November, I'm going to do my 1 year anniversary. She just run come and say, She said she they do anniversary. People was like asking her, what kind of anniversary is that? They say you are 1 year anniversary, you want to do, because I said, okay, I want to do 1 year anniversary on YouTube. Because when people want to do anniversary, maybe marriage anniversary, this anniversary, that anniversary, you need to explain to people what kind of anniversary do you want to do. My own was 1 year anniversary on YouTube. Now me don't see do more. Baby elephant just run. Smelly obo, smelly udi. She said, people, you go right for a YouTube. I'm doing an anniversary. I'm doing an anniversary. I tell Asa whether na me and they do competition. Jealousy now the town and so. And they do anniversary. I was like, when somebody comes and goes, this woman head correct. Which one do I want to do anniversary? What kind of anniversary are you doing? Baby elephant not see head they talk. You come bend and go here, come bend and go here. That anniversary. Now hide you can't hide the view because that day people were there, my Monica, my refunds, the good people when they follow my Monica. They boss me a go, be safe if I want faint. I know say that they cry. Like I said tomorrow, not today. I can't do I can't finish oh. When I can't see they do it, guys, I want to do birthday. That was this year March. He also come outside again. He say he also get what they do again. Banner. She refused to do banner. Banner. When you say I your print banner, where did I keep the banner self? I know how much it cost me now. I'll go find where I put the banner self. When you say I do your anniversary finish. You pep. You also go do banner. He put that for work. Mona ask her where the banner to today. Mona hear me ask baby elephant smelly obo smelly udi say where the banner where But in the name of you just see me because I decorated. And I say tomorrow, no, the people say, go there, I will help you, and me do one, me and my man. Decorate and do everything. Baby elephant will pie. The next time we'll cost it now banner will cost the baby elephants now. Say, really? I can't see Bruno. He said March this year, yesterday they do birthday. He also said yesterday, me and you will not marry this. That means maybe I make you send your mom, make they follow me everywhere I go. Your mom want to say me do ashishi for Libya. Go ask. In fact, ask all those enemy or progress household enemy. They will tell you. Ima wo there, ma wo there. Ima wo wa, ama wo there. Johnny Ogime, first class, you got no argue. Make me wo there. Or Azara, you just say everybody will pass that place. Now you do ashishi. Or agia. My old Johnny, even then all of them shocked them. Me ma be wo there now, cause good head. Or amu pepe. Or Azara. Me ma go and not there. Or agbe. You can go do asisi. You go. Like really? Not knowing that because of that one since last year. No, I told you guys that since last year, now he must start to follow me up and down. Not knowing that because of that one, he not tell his man to be monitoring me anytime I post. Because even that anniversary, every time I write it, I show everything. Not knowing that whether he call they use that Jerry, name or more book bear, they call and tell they follow me not coming. It's my man that discover and say, oh, be this person. Anytime you put anything, you will be the first person to view it. I take it out. Who be this? Really, my man called talker code. Last year, now my man noticed. Because I don't know, maybe I don't know, but say not be say they like your picture. He got to go and check my picture. This person don't like my picture. But anytime you put it something on story, you always go there. Did you know that person? My man don't even go say make I even share the profile. Me don't even know say nice man like that. Now this year I can't put eye for God and say no, this person is getting out of hand. I got to observe. Now I take go this observe. If I don't put picture, pound. For picture, film. For picture, film. For picture, film. I was like, I said, no, this one is getting out of hand. The one I put last time, I said, may I still shake? Because more than 1 month, I don't put picture for store. I said, okay, may I still put where that it go come? You know, say I trap me set for him. They crazy. I talk everything and they talk something without no evidence. I got to put it oh. Now so if you do like say, I not the observe. As I put on, it doesn't run come pepe. Now I suffer screenshot on. Now I go profile. Manga, now I screenshot the profile. Because here till the luwa mwine. Because all life is for medium. Oh, Jesus is Lord. Who won't follow baby elephant? Argue word. You just have to go carry this thing, put for neck. So I just cannot get strength to talk. I got to screenshot it. I got to go to a profile screenshot and see my phone till tomorrow. The man wanted to, is it whether me today use that one they do? You not going to use me. Why are you following my page up and down? Why are you following me up and down? I waiting baby elephant day and I the press red head. You're smelly man. Now you see tell you so your makes they smell. No, that is when I don't do my 1 year anniversary and my birthday. I partition why you kill this lady. He was not following me around anywhere I go. But the most painful part, he don't like my picture. He don't like my picture. You know they like my picture. Okay, what are you monitoring me around as if a monitoring rat? I was like, what is the meaning of this? You understand? What is the meaning of this? That is how she monitor me. That is the reason why when I come outside, I say, please tell your man to stay away from me. And I don't even know if she's the one using the Facebook. Is that hard for you to understand? Since then, I put a picture on the same story. You know, come again. Because I need to say my mind. If I were you, I could have told my man, please don't go there again. Really, what you go to find for there? Whether now you send your man come, I don't know. Or my man don't ever come view you. My man don't ever come your district come view you. No, talk on. Time. My man don't have that time. Even my video say get time. Now you know what they do. Eh? Just walking up and down. Tell your man to not to be following me up and down. That will not reach problem, my people. That will not reach to hand because they talk nonsense. No. Tell your man to stay away from my picture. Now I tell her anytime I put picture on story, should stay away, stay clear. Not they view my picture because not view I may not go enter one chance. So I get man. May not go enter one chance. Because Esther go mash you, go just sit down for her. You say as I did now. So I say I did like this now. not go there and get mad. So that be the two of my people. Now she come begin they talk nonsense. Wetin my man they use to do? Nothing they use me do. Why they follow me up and down? Yeah, get with anything to do with your man. Why they monitor me? Because you there they smell. Oh, we are smelly obo smelly uzi. And then in fact pass me. In fact pass me. Come. Check it out. You see her? Oh baby. You dey see her? Esther, come outside. They see her. You see that? Snap, oh. No one snap. You see that? You see that? Oh, gia. I just want to pepper you to know that maybe we're up. Now you will be the same. So pack out. Because of hatred, please share the video, guys. We'll soon round up. Because of hatred, Ishi and Gladys, they are the same. Ebony issue matter now and Sandra Igbogun, they are trying to twist it. They want banner. Gladys is already banner. Kakabo is already banner. Say they need to go ask Ebony. Wait till make Ebony verse. Fuck! Who they ask Ebony? Like really? You first say Ebony. Did you congratulate Sandra Igbogun before? Because if you congratulate Sandra Igbogun with your heart, I don't think any comment will make you angry. If you know the verse of Sandra Igbogun, say you fair as it happen, you can say, congratulations, my sister, congratulations to you. You can't really wish and congratulations. So I didn't see any comments that will make you go angry. See, me, I know they watch video of him before I pick the point. They were zaga like this bug where be. I still know say you are the only one that will still come outside and twist this Ebony and Sandra Igbogun. I know now. I know say you will still be the one that will twist it. She said we could have known why Ebony were angry because she was so happy because they happy with the brother, be whatever. Suddenly it can't change. People supposed to ask her, wait till make her change. Not be you be mama. Go ask your pikin, wait till make her verse. Go ask your daughter, wait till make her verse for Sandra Igbogun. Go ask your pikin, no. Go and ask her, wait till make her the verse. Since you don't want to say the truth. This is called jealousy. Nothing more than, nothing else. This is called jealousy. Jealousy, no solana, not say. It's jealousy because when somebody do something and you congratulate that person, I didn't see any comments that will make you angry. And if you don't have grudges in your mind against that person, I don't see any comments when person go comment will go make you vex. When maybe for example the time when Esther, they show car, they show this, they show us, and you and Esther are there in good mood. You and Esther, you congratulate Esther. Then maybe you call the live video, call they talk about your own matter or about your birthday. Somebody now come to say, and they congratulate Esther now, you know, go do your own, they fool yourself. You think you will reply that person the way you reply Sandra Igbogun? A lawyer making, before you talk, your mind, I don't read down. Do you think that comment will make you angry to an extent you will not be bragging, I have this? We are tired of hearing us those things on social media. Do you think we come outside, we are when it build? Just your appearance shows that you are angry and it's out of jealousy. Your appearance just show. Because the way you talk and you diverse. You are not saying it normal, saying you are bad, go, who tell you everybody have your life. Just freestyle, then you cut it off. No! You carry the matter, so the way the matter called the verse you, it shows that jealousy is there. If now Esther when do nyash like Afan, Esther don't buy you when the phone say they see when they disturb people for social media. If now Esther, will you tell Esther, if now Esther should talk and so, you a verse for her like that? Will you verse for that comment and say, then what Esther gets, when you know so now two now friend, when you know say you and Esther will be 5 and 6, you cannot be angry now. Is it not because you and Sandra Igbogun is not a good friend and you're not there a good man, you can't say because you do because you now alone are two because you want to occupy the Benin industry. When another person come out with another style, another one make una verse, and now you and Esther, now gotta do that thing. Why no? Nobody else, because he said now alone are two. Neither they hear a name. Before we cannot be Esther, they see they hear a name for the industry. Not be Esther, they see they hear for everywhere. They pack our children, they enter the music, they go meeting, they go don't enter the whole meeting finish. Meeting for Benin and waiting if you not there, well, not enter this one, enter this one. If the gbese come once, go dey find where you want see money take pay. Now make una see that woman, she not get rest of mind, she cannot sleep well. Mother of 4. Even if you not fat full body, but this your place like this still need to cover. Let your nyash and your shape see cover and small. On our fian bogolo when you not be gay. If gay have that leg, they will tell her make it try make it the cover and cause any man many men feel they not go like him. So they'll cause okay maybe if the girl don't born go fat really. If they can't really born they'll come fat they will come get body. All work can do here one la all fian. You say they do more they do more. You the phone say hey ask me day now which man not go like my body like this. So far your tummy not too big. So far you dey well you dey strong you dey agile as in your body dey there. Please share this video guys. You dey agile you dey well. Which man want see my body like this go say not like him? And the one here your cut you make go your leg go your open like this everybody go all the same. It doesn't make sense. Now the kakaba you want cover the issue, you want turn her upside down, begin the tell say now say they not ask Ebony. Please no talk and say we need to go they look for Ebony opinion or we'll go they ask Ebony why make a verse. Because that comment not supposed to make a verse if you not fair the verse for Sandra Egbogu. So don't come here, don't get it, don't twist it. You don't need to twist this issue here. Because whoever started the Lolekia Nekuemu now go fisty twister. Lolekia more twister. Mother of Tiri Nation. We call it Kokobiri wife, you go twister. We know now. Why have a twister? Baby elephant, smelly obo, smelly uzi. Now you go see come out a twister. Because that bonny matter not the finish for a man. You will not bonny boo. No lord yari. No love her dead of you. Because that bonny matter not the finish for a man. The truth now, I know you are not going to come outside and say the truth. Never in history. You will never say it to you are about fear cool. Stop following me, oh. Stop following me. And what me and you have right now is competition. If you like, press red head. If you like, cry blood. Now you call me, now answer you. Say me I fat pass you. So I just want to let you know, say me no fat ratio. So we want to do competition for this summer. Okay. We want to do competition. Let's do it. Show it. You see him? You see him? See that? Show the see him. So we want to do competition. Is there? So we want to do competition. They see him? Ubere. So you see him? Not by to naked though. Me, I'm not type of person that naked. No, because of my mind. I not agree. I not the naked. I not the like to come the so you know that. But like this, I go pepper you. I don't give you one promise. If the injury way they your leg they finish it, they go here you. If that saw way they your leg gonna have for, I see put pepper and salt. You smelly obo, smelly uzi. Go hide your face. Show they see my hand. They see her. They see her. Smelly obo, smelly uzi. Sure you see that? You feel it? Come wear this kind of waist trainer when I wear not be to talk for Matt Rick. Me and you for this summer. I'm going to pepper you. It's a pepper weapon. If I pepper you. Hey. For you to say me I fat pass you. If I pepper you for this summer. Me is a pepper wear this summer with this waist trainer. Oh, if I not man see your down another one. There is a pepper wear. And if I see it do, I will show you the size. If you want to do competition with Vera, make sure you put on this exactly size. Because you say me I fat pass you, right? Definitely, as I fat pass you, you suppose make the size of waist trainer enter you. You suppose make the size of waist trainer enter you. Oh. Because me and you, there is a hands down here in the social media. You say me I fat pass you, I agree. Oh. I agree, I take her by faith, but at a time, make sure say this exactly waist trainer. You wear because definitely you say me I fat pass you, and this waist trainer suppose wear and go even the logo for your body. You understand? So it's supposed when you wear this kind of waist trainer, it go even lower for your body. People go even say they logo. So I will not give you permission to go and order another waist trainer. But say no, you can't go carry oversized wear because that your belly. Me, I know say quite alright. Nothing. Now oversize of waist trainer now you they use. But for you to lie on me, thank you. Yes, so Mary, of course, now I look beautiful. Money may be a way to wear where that busy where would you wear? Who say me not get good station like this? Me not get good body. That be the good body that they beat me put. In fact, that be the good body. That be the good body. I remember. Yeah, boy. You see, if we were able to wear waist trainer doing advert of waist trainer, now we were don't born. No single guy go come outside go say they do waist trainer advert. What is that? Does that make sense? No. Let me last year when I do advert, I don't see people buy because definitely, we will not say that your belly don't carry 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 7, 5, 4, 2. We not say it don't carry. I say young girl will come outside go say they do waist trainer advert. Wait till you come say men who don't born don't do because white alright. Who don't they born belly they big. You ain't never born. I don't see the reason why you go to do advert of waist trainer. Because the time I meet day girl, I do body bolo that time when I grow they come. My breast that able to now. My breast not just make bala no. Because I get one kind of body to an extent will be say I make bolo. My belly that time he flat. You understand? My belly flat. Right from the won't see my body. You know say I get blue body. I don't feel you make kokoro like man. No. But that doesn't mean that I not get flat tummy. I get flat tummy that time. My belly even till now safe. If I open my belly, it's still fine. You know, no say don't carry that kind of picky. Echo me wa most. I don't use oil. I don't use anything. You see my normal belly for all you most front chest here. Come. If you look and you will say very fine. You understand? My fat, I'm not fat. I'm not too fat. But that will not say my belly big. My belly not still big. Now who don't born supposed to do waist trainer adverts? As me to do, I made summer last year when I do waist trainer adverts. Of course, you know that's why I show them now. I show them. People listen and say yes, it's working. So me and you not get problem, baby elephant. What you just have to do for me right now, You say me I big pass you, I fat pass you, right? Okay, you see that? No problem. No wahala not there. But what you just have to do for me is that just make sure we wear your waist trainer this summer. There is a logo. Now this waist trainer, I know they do have a waist trainer. I know they sell, but at the time when Monica they sell, if you need beautiful one, they say she gets. Monica gets. I'm gonna go all down now. Any size. If you want to know the size, I don't give her the code. Just try to check your trouser. You will know the size. You go get them as well. So I'm gonna go follow and order. But you see who me want pepper for this summer? Now smelly obo, smelly udi, smelly TOT. Now you with this waist trainer, yeah, wolo. Yeah, is a wolo. You must show us. You see, as I take constant, so you make sure say definitely now the size of this waist trainer now you buy. Can't take sure say yes. So my people, I tell her say Vera fat pass me. I don't prove until now. She fat pass me. Alagali, you not have peace. Oh, we ma prove any ma beg. No, you lie. No, we not there. We know na yeah. Na theory of my but at the time she's claiming she fat person. Yes, so now what is she talk? Oh? She said me. He said me I fat person. He said me. Hey, he said my people. Me and Vera who fat when I go wash them. My people. Me and Vera who fat pass. She be Vera fat pass me. See. No be to come out on social media because they say, no far pass, no not far pass. No. People have eyes. Oh. Me and you will do challenge and competition. You say me and fat pass you. This size of waist trainer, they follow the small one. Make sure say you go buy. Make sure say the one you go buy say go even small pass this one. Or exactly this one, make you wear. if e go even enter you, because no be by to come as I come dey lie. I want you prove everything about you lie. Na make me dey pepper you. So just go. Make sure say you carry this size o. Oh, when man more size no go here gbiju e. Make sure say you see am now. Make sure say you put am for number 2. Shey you see am, this is number 1 line. This is number 2 line. This is number 3 line. Number 1, then number 2, then number 3. So make sure if you are using any waist trainer, make sure say as I take start, take show people. So because next one when I want to do, next video when I want to do, na 3 I want put on. Yeah, number 3. Now I'll put the next one. So you make sure say you want show us. Try to put it in the second row and let am be this size, because me you say me fat pass, but I will pity you to use the same size with me. May enter you, because if you don't enter you go can move. That your smelly quickness, you go see where smell well. So guys, thank you everybody. Thank you. Please, this is my cream, guys. So if you want to order, I pin the number right here. Esther, bring the cream when you take the rub no boo. We are not matter of bragging on social media. No, many will brag. Anything you talk, bring it and prove it. I got smelly perfume. I got smelly perfume. If I bring perfume me they use, you never buy them. It make bubble like this. If I bring a come out for outside, say people they look on. Very fine. Even the cup alone say no person go tell say that pep na oga. That pep na oga. Eh? No, you all not be like that. We are here. Roll on now. You know they use this summer now is good. Roll on. You go they use them. Woman, now it's there here. You not get this screen now. Bring your own and you order this one. See, they see, you see, it's there inside. And the one I used one that time don't finish. I show on that time don't finish. So this one another one. You see, Perfect Global Beauty Care. So the number is the organic cream number. Now I post for you. We end with 153. So in case if you need, you want buy, you can call her. The number is on WhatsApp as well. And if you need the S10 Super Watt, so I come make I quickly do this one. We'll go S10 Super for this thing, for high blood pressure, for sorry guys, for high blood pressure you will need this thing. You go feel use is very good. S10 Super 30, right? Am I mistaken? Are they come, guys? I'll soon round up now. They come. Yeah. May I show now? I see, huh? Yes, may I show now, my people? They come. So this I say this thing, this Super Life STC 30. Super Life STC 30 is very good for your body. If you have high blood pressure, maybe like this stroke, maybe I say the warrior star. So in fact, for all body system, this thing is very, very good. It look like tablet, but at the time now, God, you understand. So if you need that, add me. I will put the number there. You see it. You see it. Super Life STC 30. Super Life STC 30. STC 30. It's very good for your head. You understand? Sure, I'm saying it's not too cost. You know, cost. You understand? Sure, the same. And the second, I put the second one. You understand? It's very good. So if you need that, you can contact me. The lady lives in Spain. You can order yours. You can order your own. It's not too expensive. You understand, guys? STC 30. Super Life STC 30. So that is it, my lovely people. Thank you very much. So let me see if we quickly, whether I'll quickly play one music. So may I just dance for Nasuma one round up. So baby elephant, you hear what I tell you? Try out. Not for the before. So may we dance only one music before we go. Yes, so. Oh, you come late. Hey, yeah, sorry.
Sakari. The one I know. Say how it go. Say let me show. That place when I dey come. The one I know. Say how it go. Let me show. That place when I dey come. It go. It go. Let's go the night down. Night down. It go. It go. Let's go the night down. Night down. Take me there, wanna go there. 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 I don't travel around the world. Hey, I never seen a place like you. Hey, let me feel it. See, I wanna see it. Cannot deny it, 'cause I'm truly a son. Hey, when it's screaming, see, I'm a Joe, my son. Africa, say Africa is serious. Some understand, say Africa is serious. Check out your own team. Check out your Eko, let's go there like that. Eko, let's go there like that. Take me there, wanna go there. Take me there, take me there, wanna go there. Take me there, take me there, wanna go there. Take me there, take me there, wanna go there. Take me there, put a long Lagos Island, the biggest city. It's cold.
Oh yes, hand of applause for Vera TV program. Hey, 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 hey. Oh yes, my people. So now, so my lovely people, no time to check time. Yes, so now, so no time, guys. Ah, not easy. Ah, mommy, my big mommy, I guess. Eh, mommy, I need to hear. Now, so those are our good lady. They are suffering yourself. Not easy, my people. Now, so now. I be fear quoi. You all zang quoi. You understand? You still shake her, eh? Our body go make bushy. Oh yes, guys. Thank you, everybody. So I just tried to play that music. Yes. For we round up, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And thank you for following this page. And please, if today is your first time you have not followed this page or please don't fail to follow this page and like this Vera television program. And please, if you are still searching for my YouTube channel, please guys, don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vera television program. My second YouTube channel is Pursue the Enter House Then TV. So thank you for watching and thank you for being here. Thank you for spending your precious time view my page or view me on my live video screen. Thank you. I appreciate you all. God bless you. So I'm about to round up right now, so we'll see some other time. So I promise, baby elephant, the jungle just the man show. So you need to show us your talent and your Gberaga industry. All of them join. Anyone misses together, you must show us. So no matter what, because I'm going to pepper you now. This summertime I must pepper you like I said tomorrow. They come out. Your talent, come show them. So guys, thank you. God bless you. I'm about to end this video right now. Thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video, you enjoy my video this evening. Thank you and I appreciate you all. God will continue to bless every one of you. Thank you. God bless you. I'm about to end this video right now. Bye and have a sweet evening and sweet precious night. Thank you. God bless you all. Sweet dreams. Bye, 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 bye.